In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TikTok Shop in Canada. Here's the reality up front. TikTok Shop isn't officially available in Canada yet. That means most Canadian users won't see a shop tab, and you can't enable in-app product listings or checkout the way users can in the US or UK. But that doesn't mean you can't sell. Instead, think of TikTok as your traffic engine and your store on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or eBay, as the place where the final purchase happens. First, set up your profile so it clearly points people to your store. Add your store link to your bio and include a short, direct description that tells viewers exactly what you sell and where to click. In your videos, mention the link naturally and reinforce it with on-screen text like "See link in bio." Use clear product demonstrations, quick benefit callouts, and a simple call to action, such as "Tap my bio link to shop the full collection." Since checkout can't happen inside TikTok, your goal is to make the handoff from video to store as effortless as possible. Content-wise, stay consistent. Short, punchy clips showcasing one product benefit at a time tend to perform well. Answer common questions in the captions, include relevant hashtags for discovery, and pin a comment that repeats your call to action and reminds viewers that purchases happen on your external site. If you sell variations, mention that the link goes straight to the correct product page so people don't have to hunt. If you want to accelerate results, consider TikTok ads to drive traffic outside the app. Choose a traffic or website conversion objective, send people directly to your product page, and match your ad creative to what already performs organically. Keep your landing page fast, mobile-friendly, and consistent with the promise in your video. Start with a modest daily budget, test a few hooks and thumbnails, and use a clear call to action button so viewers know exactly where to go. For creators and affiliates, you can still promote products and earn by linking to external stores and tracking performance with unique links provided by those platforms. Be transparent with your audience that checkout occurs on the store site and set expectations for shipping and returns there. Finally, keep an eye on official TikTok updates. When TikTok Shop launches in Canada, you'll be ready to switch on native shopping features. Until then, use TikTok for discovery and trust your external store to close the sale.